Hi everyone, today we are looking at jobs and the key question is, what do you want to be when you grow up? So we're looking at jobs vocabulary and we're going to answer the question, what do you want to be when you grow up? Hello again, my name's Margaret and welcome to my channel Learn English with me. Today we're looking at jobs. I am a doctor. I help people feel better. I work in a hospital or a clinic. I check your ears, throat and chest. I give medicine to make you well. I use a stethoscope, it's this thing here around his neck, to hear your heartbeat. I care for everyone's health. I am a doctor. I am a teacher. I teach children to read and write. I work in a school. I write on the board with chalk. I tell stories and sing songs. I help kids learn new things. I love to see my students grow. I am a teacher. I am a police officer. I keep people safe. I wear a uniform and a badge. I help when there is trouble. I stop people who break the law. I drive a police car with flashing lights. I protect the city and help everyone. I am a police officer. I am a firefighter. I put out big fires. I wear a helmet and a heavy suit. I drive a red fire truck. I use a big hose to spray water. I rescue people from danger. I keep everyone safe from fire. I am a firefighter. I am a soldier. I protect my country. I wear a strong uniform. I work in the army. I train to be strong and brave. I help people in danger. I fight for peace and safety. I am a soldier. I am a nurse. I help doctors take care of patients. I work in a hospital or clinic. I check people's temperature. I give medicine to sick people. I help people feel better. I am kind and caring. I am a nurse. Story time. Busy town is a happy place where everyone has an important job. Each morning the town wakes up and the people go to work. Emma is a doctor. She works at the hospital and helps sick people feel better. She checks on her patients, gives medicine and says, "Take some rest and you will feel better soon." Emma is a doctor. Tom is a chef. He works at the restaurant, cooking delicious food for the town. He makes pizza, soup and fresh bread. Here is your food, enjoy, he says with a smile. Lily is a teacher. She works at the school and helps children learn new things. She teaches them to read, write and count. A is for apple. Say it with me, she tells her students. There's the picture of Tom the chef. Jack is a police officer. He works at the police station and keeps the town safe. He helps people cross the street and makes sure everyone follows the rules. Ben is a firefighter. He works at the fire station and helps put out fires. When the alarm rings, he jumps into the big red fire truck. Let's go, he shouts. His team drives fast to help people in need. Sam is a soldier. He works at the army base and protects the country. He trains every day to be strong and ready. I work hard to keep everyone safe, he says proudly. Once in the afternoon, everyone meets at the park. The doctor, the chef, the teacher, the police officer, the firefighter and the soldier, they all sit on a bench and talk. We all have different jobs, said Emma, but we all help others. That's right, said Sam. Together we make Busy Town a great place to live. Everyone smiles, happy to be part of a busy and friendly town. The end. Okay, so there's your story. Question now. Which job was mentioned in the story but not in our learned vocabulary at the beginning of our class? There was one job mentioned in my story but not in the learned vocabulary. The answer? Tom is a chef. He works at a restaurant cooking delicious food for the town. He makes pizza, soup and fresh bread. Here's your food, enjoy, he says with a smile. So a chef is a person who cooks meals, usually at a restaurant. Discussion question. Well, this was the key question of this course today. What do you want to be when you grow up? Now we've looked at jobs vocabulary, some of them. Were there any of those jobs you want to do when you grow up? What do you want to be when you grow up? I want to be a... Let me know what you want to be. Thank you so much for watching today. Here are some other examples of different jobs. Maybe you can spot which one you want to be when you grow up. I hope you've enjoyed this video today. If you did, give it a like. And if you want to have more videos like this to learn new vocabulary and grammar, press that subscribe button and I will see you next week. Bye bye, bye bye.